Good morning and welcome to Uncommon Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of catfishing. Don't really catfish a whole lot. Don't really know what I'm doing a whole lot, but we're going to figure it out. Meet my brother over at a local reservoir over here. How could you not want to go fishing on this gorgeous, gorgeous morning?
Right here, dude.
Yeah. Do what?
This is work, right?
Yeah.
Fucking toilets right there. It's like fishing out your own backyard, man. Oh yeah, why don't I just pull the Jeep down here?
We're going to have to come out of the comfort zone, that's for sure.
Out of strictly just bass.
Well, not just bass fishing, but you know, every time we go out, we fish with the same thing. I mean, I fish with worm, lizards, you know, soft plastics, and you fish with the, you know, the chatterbait now is the new favorite, and
Spinnerbait.
you know, spinnerbait and a crankbait.
But our like so the like our monthly challenge that we had going there for a minute.
Yeah.
I like that too.
Yep.
All right, Eric, you gotta use, you know, in fucking January, you're top water, dude.
Well, and that's where you know you bring in the roulette wheel, so not just pick, you know,
Right.
half the wheel will be good January baits, and the other half would be bad January baits. So.
And then fly fishing in the mix.
Yeah, fly fish. I think fly fishing, recording fly fishing would be fantastic.
I do too. And then actually we could, part of that video would be tying a fly up. And they just, we're gonna tie up, I'm tying up, here's what I'm doing. I'm tying up 5 of these. I'm gonna take 5 of these out with me today. And this is what we're gonna actually try to catch something that we actually tie.
These cameras don't pick up tying flies. You can't get close enough to it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you gotta get something else. I think the iPhone will do it, but I've tried with these and you just can't, because there's like a wide angle lens.
No.
You just can't get close enough for the details on the videos that you see. You need a hot dog? Yeah, I thought it was a cattail. It's a hot dog. Somebody stuffed on there. Good God.
tell you what, there's a lot of fucking line in these two. I mean, there's that one. There's this bobber over here. There's bobber over there. Line hanging all over the place.
Amateurs.
That's swinging over your head. Especially to get that bitch up there. Look at that.
I know, that one's way up there.
He snagged that hot dog over there.
It's like stuck on a stick. Somebody put it there, but I don't know why. See, that wasn't that hard. Throw your trash away. But yeah, there's like a 15-pound carp up on the land up here.
That's a big carp.
It is. It's, I don't know, probably about that long. It's a big old carp.
You want to scare that goose?
No, I want to get this on camera. Where you're going to do it. Don't look like it goes back any farther than this.
Huh?
So it doesn't look like it goes back any farther than this.
See, this is all deep.
Yeah, I see that. I was looking at these rocks when we come in. Yeah, I mean, we could fish here. You just have one spot, and I'd have one spot.
I don't know if I can get anything through here or not.
It'd be close. Be pushing it.
It's just the water that's so high.
It is.
Huh?
It is. First got here, there ain't nobody here.
What are you doing with that?
Taking it home. So I need it for fish that I made. A stained glass bass.
Oh.
That way I can mount it. And it's kind of cool because it has like rocks and stuff in it.
You don't have a Leatherman, do you?
I got a knife, but not a Leatherman. Why?
Because if this branch wasn't there, that would be all open, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
We just have to take turns throwing.
Well, I think I could throw from over here too. Probably throw it through here or even over here a little bit and throw it out.
Want to try here?
Yeah, we'll try here. Watch that stump. The one right there in front of you that you tripped on last time.
You say that shit like I'm
I know, I'm just telling you. I don't want to have to put two goofball moments there on the channel.